Hello everyone. Before you sit your maths exam, I want you to remember these five important things. The first thing is you should secure the easy marks first. So don't feel that you have to answer the question in the order which is given in the exam paper. So you start with the questions that you know very well. Okay. So get those marks in your pocket first. So every marks counts and the confidence grows when you see yourself making progress through the paper. Okay. Now the second point is you should show every step. So in maths, we don't just value the final answer. The examiners will give marks for correct methods and working. So write down your formulas, calculations, and steps clearly. Never do important work only in your head. If you make a small mistake, you can still earn plenty of marks for the correct method. Okay. Now the third one is never leave a question blank. I know you have options for the exam, but I would really recommend you attempt all the questions in the question paper because a blank answer gets 0 marks. So even if you are unsure, you should write down the formula, draw a diagram, or show some working over there. So if you cannot finish the question, that's fine. Okay, you may still pick up some valuable marks in the working section. Okay, so you should give the examiner something to award marks for. And the fourth point is read the questions carefully. So many students lose marks not because they don't know the maths, but because they rush through the questions. So when you read the question, you tend to skip some words and then you just go and do something else. Okay, so you should read the question once and then read it again to see whether you have understood it correctly. So twice reading twice is not going to hurt you, but rather it will help you. So check what is being asked. Look for the units, the rounding instruction, and also the keywords. As I say, always look for the keywords. You will understand what need to be done. Okay, a few extra seconds which you spend reading can save a lot of marks. And then the last one is you should stay calm even if you get stuck. So even if you see a difficult question, you should stay calm. Okay, you should remember yourself. Okay, you can calm down now. Okay, because every student who is writing the Living Cert Max exam will come across a question that looks difficult. Okay, whichever question paper you take, you can see there will be some questions which are totally irrelevant to the pattern of questions which were asked over the past few years. Okay, that's a completely normal scenario, so don't panic. Okay, so what you will do is like you will move to the next question and you will keep on collecting the marks. Okay, and also you will come back to this question at a later point and then you will attempt these questions because in the marking scheme, like whenever the examiners set the marking scheme, if they see that many people have made many people haven't done a question correctly, they might give full marks for that question. Okay, so you don't want to lose that mark, so that is why we recommend you to write down anything, something or the other which is related to the topic into the um, into the answer paper. Okay, so never leave out any question, and also so always remember, start with what you know. Okay, whichever the best questions you know, maybe you are good at algebra, you are good at coordinate geometry, or you are good at calculus, you start with those questions and then work on this, and then you will show your work. Okay, always you write steps very neatly, don't rush, don't scribble, don't scratch and all these things. Then the third, you will attempt every question and you will read the questions very 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 carefully. If you want to underline the keywords, please do that, and also stay calm and keep moving forward. So it is like during that 3 hour period, or yeah, 3 hour period, maybe you want to do your best in writing down what all you know and what all you have learned over the past 2 years. Okay, so stay well. Okay, and all the very best for your exams. Thank you.